This is what they call putotoy, made of ice cream at saka suman. Natikman mo kaya suman?
Wala pa.
Ikaw daw.
Suman eh. Suman with ice cream.
What about this one? Itong tawag ito nilapak.
It's okay din.
Then we have tabli,
Suman with ice cream.
Can you bring out the kwan, yung binili natin na kwan, kuya? This is...
Picture.
Hello. Yan, ilabas natin. Place. Ay, kadilim.
Yes.
Para we have, ito yung binili namin ni Kuya na ako I like this one. Pang-reduce na to ng effective high blood. This is this is organic na mangustin. No? We're here in Hillsview, Trento. Sinesto kami 100% talaga makapag-lower ng high blood. And the other one, Kuya, pakilabas yung we have something also exotic, yung mangustin in calamansi, no? Ayan. Okay, so ito yung if you're traveling, going to Bislig, no? Galing kaming Tagum. This is the stopover, no? Ideal stopover. Meron sila mga kakanin. Ito paborito ko to ay kasaba, but so heavy. So we're going coastal area sa Bislig. This place is what they call Hillsview. And this is yung kanila product line. Mangustin. Mangustin is very exotic, saka but potent sa mga antioxidant. Certified daw kapag baba ng high blood. Ito yung ito yung mga product lines nila. Sequate, Putumaya, Good Coffee, saka yung Suman. Yung place is very nice, along the highway before reaching yung Trento. Along the road siya. Yan. Along the highway. And you have campaign materials ng PDP Laban here. I think PDP Laban will have a landslide victory here. Because this is Mindanao. There's yung mais con yelo. Halo-halo. And here. We'll have Sequate and pututoy. So far okay pututoy ka?
Yep. Ano?